It's growing. That's why it's covered. That's how I used to look before they bring it out. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm making something. Okay, so my phone. You want to see what I do? You're scattering everything. You want to take this and play tic-tac-toe on my phone. Why will I remove it? I have to block you now.
This thing they are doing is not good.
It's good now.
Mommy, I need to put them on.
I'm wasting time.
Yeah, Mom, I won! Mom, I won.
Okay.
I won.
Yeah, play with yourself.
Yeah, let's play.
Play with computer now. Block to it. Go outside. And fly. I can't reach here, Nana. And fly.
How did you call off an engagement? That is waiting. I sensed in my heart that God wanted me to read. I think it was John 4, where the woman at the well, and then Jesus was at the well with the woman, and he said to her, then he says, "Go and call your husband." She says, "I don't have any husband." Jesus says, "You rightly said, for the man you're with is not your husband." And it looked like a highlighter pen marked out that thing, and it stood out. It literally jumped at me that the man you're with is not your husband. I said, "Holy Spirit, rough me." He said, "Who is what? Who is not what? What are you saying?" And then I moved from, "This is so funny," to, "How can you do this to me? Why didn't you tell me, sin?" I went on, and the Holy Spirit said, How dare you accuse me of not telling me when you're not mad? Get into the word. Get to know the God. Get to know Jesus Christ. Know him through the word. Not what people are saying. You know what Jesus has done for you? Your only battle, it will not be against Satan. It will not be against other Christians. It will not even be against other religions. We are in a class of our own. I was reading about Angel Gabriel to Zechariah, the priest, that was his father. And that's why I love the book.
Hello? Yes, you're listening to the Easy Like Sunday Morning podcast.
Yes, because that was what I was exposed to. So I thought everyone was Catholic.
Did you go to a Catholic primary school?
No, I didn't. I went to Corona. Stages. I went through church hurt. I went through not wanting to have anything to do with the church. Yeah. Then I went back to going back to the Catholic church because I can't deal with all these dramas. I would just go hear the priest, take up and go.
Hi, my lovely subscribers and viewers. I want to bring you all to speed on what's going on, and I don't think I've chatted with you guys for a while. Let's just a little. My son has this habit of always making prayer points. So in the morning when he wakes up, he's always writing. He's always the first to wake up, and he will go and write prayers. And this one says, God bless us, God forgive us, God provide everything we need, and God let us grow. Please, God, let us forgive people. God, let's stay alive. We'll be strong. God, let us be happy. God, let us be fine. And God, let us be blessed. Even though he got some spellings wrong. But yeah, it's always writing prayer points. That's one. This is another one. And this is another one. And there's another one inside his Bible. This one really touched my heart. Like, you see, where's that part? Yeah. This one really touched our heart. So I just told him to put it in between his Bible. Supposed to be inside Psalm 23. And I like to take pictures of it, even though I'm not taking pictures of this one, which I will do now if I get up from here. So yeah. And then my son has started lessons. We have a lesson teacher that comes to the house. So she comes Saturday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And that's part of what they've been working on. This was on Saturday. Been working with us now. Like, this is our second month. And I'm just so happy because I did that boy to be grounded in his schoolwork. And I just needed to tell you guys, I don't think I've ever mentioned it. Yeah. How did Big Mommy go to now?
Coca-Cola.
My sister, where you gonna go now?
Now, yeah, I want house and all other things. That's okay now.
Okay, I'm not gonna stop like this.
It's page 28, not page 27.
Okay,
I
my
think it's
sister.
page 28. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should not listen to my podcast.
Podcast. No, I think it's page 30 we stop.
Where is this stop now?
I don't know. I think it's page
I folded it now.
We have read this before now. Mom, we have read this thing before.
You can read that now. Let me check.
We have passed this place too. Maybe it's page 28 or page 27 or page 39. It can't be 39 or page 29.
I know we've not read this part.
Yes, I know. So this is where we stop. Because it seems funny to tell. You scattered it!
You must stop screaming, I beg.
I have to scream. So
You're reading here.
it's very dark.
27. Yeah, start reading, Hey, open the door, Mama. Open the door. I'm not hearing you. Fast.
Did you not say what I said?
Read that thing properly. You guys, I don't wear dress in my house, so because I want to do video. See, am I? Because I want to do video, I just try to wear clothes, and that's why most times, and then I don't used to iron like that. Most times my clothes are won't put. This is straight from the washing machine. Me and my children were bored, and I want to make cookies. So I've made cookies in the past. It's on my Instagram page, but I told my Meta AI, which is my WhatsApp AI, to give me. Even though I have plenty of flour, I don't want to stress myself. That's why I said, give me a recipe for cookies for 1 cup of flour. And yeah, it did. Let me show you guys. And this is it. I don't know if you can see it. Let me focus it. Okay, I'm on call with my sister. I'm not really showing you the in-depth process. Just let's do this together. Let's just hang out together. That's the essence of why I brought my camera. So encourage me by liking this video, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment for me. All right. So in this bowl I have 1/4, is it 1/4 they call it? Yes, 1/4, 1/4 cup of softened butter, and this is the butter I used, the regular Siemens butter. Then I have 1/2 cup of sugar, according to what Meta AI said we should use. So I'm going to whisk this now. So now I want to mix. Hey. You guys, I don't understand this thing. I've been using this thing for years, but to fix it sometimes I used to be so confused.
No.
So
That's a very nice podcast by Femi Lazarus.
let me reduce my sister's volume because she's beginning to enter into our video. No, let me go use my AirPod. Forgot I have AirPod. Let me take this guy away so people can see road. I think before I start mixing all these things, I need to preheat something. I don't need to do anything now. What else did I should even do first? Okay, cream butter and sugar until fluffy, beaten egg and vanilla. So I'll add my egg. Let me bring out my vanilla. This is the vanilla flavor I have. Can you see that? And this is my baking soda. This is baking soda that I should use. I should use baking powder. Anyway, I have both. One X. What they say we should do? Let me just arrange my oven things first, so that we will not be hanging when we want to start. I don't even know if I show you guys the nonsense meat pie that I made. I think it will be in this vlog. This is my baking paper. Let me just line it now, so I'll not rush. Hey, that's almost finished. Oh, this thing I know I'm gonna use it up to 1 month. How many times I even use this thing? Not even up to 4 times, and that's finished. This is a scam, and I paid 2,500 to buy this thing. It's okay, no problem. Now I don't know how fluffy this is supposed to be, but it's already fluffy. This is my days to make cake. Let me still try. And okay, you know we're not done. They say we'll add egg, beat in egg and vanilla. Okay, let me just do this one small again. Okay, that's 1 egg, half teaspoon. So I'll just put 1 cup of vanilla. Pinch of salt, this pinch. Beaten egg and vanilla. So that means we're supposed to beat the egg now. So let me mix again. Then mix in flour, baking powder, and salt. I was not supposed to add the salt now. What happened? No. So this is my 1 cup of flour. I hope the flour, the salt rather, will not cause a disaster in our cookies. But now, what else did they say? Baking powder, half teaspoon baking powder. Okay, assume this is half teaspoon. So let me just add extra because Nigeria baking soda, this is not the original baking soda. So I don't know how effective this one is. Anyway, moving on. I think I need to preheat my oven while I mix this. Happy? I'm not supposed to mix it too much, right? It's looking good. Let's take this guy into here and I don't mix this in because I'm seeing some flour that I don't mix well. Okay, so this is our ice cream scoop. Am I supposed to grease this thing? No, I don't think so. Okay, so let's make it nice that way. So how am I supposed to put this on now? I think I should add it to the one that is small, which is this guy. Imagine if there's chocolate chip on it. Okay. Oh. Hey, this is not too far. I hope this will not restrict if it spreads. Let me just use this fork to design it like this. This is what I'm doing. Am I supposed to be doing what I'm doing? It's time to pop here in the oven. Where's my timer now? Timer. So let's do, we said 40 minutes, right? Okay. Let me just make it 15. Yep. Hasta la vista when it's ready. Waiting for cookies to see if it's gonna turn out alright. I think it's ready. Hey, looks like our cookie is burning, oh. This is premium tears. I told you guys, baking is not for me. Let me just let it cool down first. Just want to make my family happy. That's all I wanted. And now everything is looking burnt. Okay, back to reality. See this one. Hey, God, oh. I'll just scrape it. There's only 3 of them that is like this. The remaining ones burnt, like the one that is unrecognizable. So guys, I'm scraping it. This one was so burnt, but we're progressing in it. This side is okay. Ready. All the burnt scraps. Let me just one small one. What's that big? This is smallest. Let's see. You guys. It's so sweet and soft, but I feel like it's not done properly inside. It's not how soft cookies are. I'll show you for how it is inside. Is this how it's supposed to be? Let me break it again. Just broke softly. How it's supposed to be? You should tell me. A cookie's not hard. It's fully soft. Although, oh, my little chicken. Even though they've stolen their turkey. This one has just been disturbing us. Thank God. God forgive me. Minus 1 turkey. Minus 1 noise in my videos. This one. Even though I saw some videos that looked like it's soft, the other cookie that I made was not like this. So, also I'm not eating on dough flour and egg and sugar and stuff. I think I need the oven that heats on top, at the sides and under as well. I don't know, but not so concentrated. I really don't know. I really want to change my oven and stuff, but I'm waiting for a lot of things. By the grace of God, I'll get a better place and I'll have all those things I want. But for now, let me just keep trying. There's one series I and my husband are watching now. It's called The SEAL Team action series. So it's called The SEAL Team. I think it has up to 7 seasons or so. But we're in season 1. You know those series those days, it's an old series anyway. They used to have like a lot of episodes. So this particular season 1 has 1 to 22 episodes, I think. And we are just in episode episode 13. We watched episode 13 last night. So yeah, I'll just keep on cooking for my husband and give the rest to my children and I. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for staying with me on my cookie escapade. On my cookie trial, whatever.